Hello, welcome to Everything with E. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Erica. You can call me E for short. My channel is basically just lifestyle vlogs, redos. Sometimes I might do challenges with my husband, and probably lots of clothing hauls, okay? But today's video is just going to be a room redo. I don't know if anybody else has been feeling like really weird since the quarantine and being inside. I get tired of looking at the same stuff all the time. I can't. Sometimes I like to put in a little bit of color or take some colors out. My mood changes a lot when it comes to the room, and then if I'm spending a lot of time in a certain place, I like to make it feel comfy and like home. So that's just what this is going to be about. I have a bunch of, you can see, of course you can see it, but I have this floating desk which I got off of Wayfair. I think I paid about $90 for it. I'll leave a link to it. But I needed this for my YouTube. I like to be organized and actually have a nice setup and stuff. That's just how I am. But I have this desk here, some decorations, but I'm most likely not going to leave those there because I have other paintings that I'm thinking about putting up. But I don't know. And I actually thought that this was going to be these little parts up here were going to be bigger for like 5x7 pictures, but no, I think I need like a 4x6 picture or just little ornaments or whatever to go in there. But you guys will see how I've finished doing my room once it's done. But the first thing I'm going to do is vacuum the floor of the area where I know, because I'm going to reposition my bed. Okay, excuse the mess. Okay, so I wanted this one right here, but what I'm thinking about is moving my bed from here and putting it in front of the window. Put the bed in front of the window, and then I have that table that I'm gonna put on one side, that clothing bin type of thing, and the other one that's gonna end up in the closet, out of the way. Say hi, mama. Say hey, mama. And she won't be in this crib for long because her crib is actually in the front and it just needs to be put together. That it's probably going in the closet too because it's just in the way. I'll see once I'm finished moving everything around, but for the most part, this is what the room looks like before. Don't mind it over there. That is the bathroom area. Okay, now on to, gotta come get some light. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is just, like I said before, clean up all of this, move this stuff out the way so I can start turning the bed. And yes, I'm getting another comforter set too, which is actually out for delivery. Most of this stuff I didn't have to make a long drawn out video over a couple days because it was here.
No, the lie detector test determined that was a lie
already, and I ordered it. But yeah, I'm still waiting for like knick-knack stuff. So I also like to draw, so if y'all ever want to see a video of me drawing or painting something, let me know. And you probably can't see me, but just let me know. Some contact paper for the walls. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for yet because I kind of want to do something in the kitchen area with my countertops. I think I might add something to the display which y'all saw behind me in the beginning of the video. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I have, what is this? Like a rose gold metallic contact paper. I have the gold marble metallic contact paper. And I also have, this one is like just a pink or rose pink gold marbled contact paper, same stuff. And I actually got two. I got two of the gold ones, so that's that. Back to the video. Yeah, I'll clean up the bed once I'm done. You want a Chewy? Huh? You still in Chewy's? You caught right-handed, Corey. Are you still in Chewy's? Oh, Corey. Corey. And she really not looking at me, y'all. She really sitting here acting like she don't hear me talking to her. I'm gonna give you one, okay? Look at her, y'all. She just be ready. Look at her. You be ready for it, don't you, mama? I give it here. Here you go. You're welcome. She be trying, y'all. Okay, now it's time for, I haven't even did nothing but move a couple stuff. I am so out of shape, Lord. Now it's time for the big stuff. Now I gotta move the bed. Oh, pray for me because, Lord. Die. This is why I needed to redo my room, because all my pictures fell off the wall and it was behind the bed. So next part is moving the TV and the stand to in front of the closet, okay? Now, I still have to find, I am so out of breath. Okay, I still have to find a spot just to kind of put her playpen for right now. And if y'all happen to come upon this video and know someone who needs a playpen for a baby girl, y'all are welcome to have it. You just might have to pay for shipping and like the box or whatever, but yeah, y'all can have it because she's getting her new crib right now. I'm gonna show just some of the knickknack stuff that I have, just that I'm gonna be hanging up in the room or just have. Okay, I got this from Walmart. It says love grows here. It was about $8. It was about $8 or $9, either one. But I just thought that this would have been cute, and guess what? It doesn't even fit on my floating desk. I literally just got this hourglass from Ross. I paid $15 for it. Y'all better go shop at Ross to get y'all stuff, okay? But I got this one. It matched perfect with my room. That's that in. It's too big to fit on the shelf. Also got the board, just to like a memory board or whatever. I also got these floating shells from, oh my god, what did I get these? From Walmart. I got them from Walmart. I'll leave how much it was, description or whatever. The way it's looking, I'm gonna have to put her crib on the other side of the room, because even though it's not necessarily in the middle of the wall, so it's more so, depending on which way you're looking, it's more so to the left. So the bed is on, it's just this little bitty space like right here, and I highly doubt that her crib is gonna fit right here. So what we're gonna have to do is move her crib to that area, which is fine, that's fine, and move the TV still over there, I guess. Yeah, we can still do that. So I think what I'm about to do is break that playpen completely down and bring it in the front so it's just not in here at all, and then y'all will see, okay? Say hey, Cheeto Mouth. Say hey, Cheeto Mouth. And make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can know when I post. Look who decides to come in the video. Now that we got the bed and the crib set up, okay, now that we have the bed and the crib set up, what we're gonna do is start putting together the floating desk and just basically the knick-knack stuff that goes around the room. Look at you with tears in your eyes and everything. if you can see, her bed is set up. I have these stickers for the wall, but I'm not sure which one this is because I have one that says the princess sleeps here and the other one says think, be positive or something like that. So I think that's what this says, one of these. This packaging is very dumb. Like, this is stupid. Okay, like they got it wrapped up in freaking duct tape. Okay, you can't even see the writing because this thing is stupid white. Corey, I like how she just takes the, okay. It's dark outside now, and you can see a little bit. Let's see if I turn the light off. Okay, let's see a little bit.